The engine has air inlet and exhaust valves. Opening and closing of these valves in proper sequence draws in air and expels combustion products. The piston assists in drawing air into the cylinder, compressing the air, transferring gas forces to the crankshaft, and expulsion of exhaust gases. From the top dead center, the piston moves in a downward direction with the air inlet valve open and exhaust valve shut. The air enters into the cylinder from atmosphere. Some engines use turbocharger to introduce air into the cylinder at a pressure higher than atmospheric pressure. At the end of suction or induction stroke, the cylinder is full of air and suction valve is closed. In compression stroke, piston moves up from bottom dead center with the valves closed. So, air in the cylinder is compressed as the piston approaches the top dead center. At the end of compression stroke, the pressure in the cylinder is in the range of 80 to 90 bars. High pressure fuel is injected into the cylinder in the form of fine spray. The fuel ignites and combustion takes place. The pressure and temperature inside the cylinder rise during combustion. The gases inside the cylinder expand, moving the piston down. This is the expansion stroke or power stroke. The exhaust valve opens at the end of the power stroke. The piston starts moving upwards and expels the exhaust gases. Inlet valve opens towards the end of the exhaust stroke and draws air into the cylinder. This is called overlap period. Inlet air cools the combustion chamber and also pushes the exhaust gases out of the cylinder. Valve timing diagram depicts the time at which the valves are set to open and close. In 4-stroke engine, the 4 operations are completed by each cylinder in 2 engine revolutions. During the compression and suction strokes, the first revolution of the crankshaft takes place, and then during the exhaust and power strokes, the second revolution takes place. The inlet valve opens 70 degrees before top dead center. The air inducted pushes the exhaust gases and the exhaust valve closes at 54 degrees. Suction takes place and the inlet valve closes at 29 degrees after bottom dead center. As the piston moves up, compression takes place and fuel injection starts 10 degrees before top dead center. The fuel injection valve closes 5 degrees after top dead center. After top dead center, expansion takes place and the exhaust valve opens during the power stroke at 45 degrees before bottom dead center. The exhaust valve closes at 54 degrees and the cycle continues.